Welcome children. Let's continue with our chapter that is Adobe Photoshop CC. So, for today we'll understand the topic components of Photoshop CC. So let's begin. Here you can see on the screen we have the menu bar that's on the top and it contains all the main menus of the Photoshop. Below that we have option bar and this panel displays the options that are related to the currently selected tools. On the right side we have panels. Well, panel help us to monitor and modify the properties of the image. And on the left side you can see tools panel. It works like an artist paint box. And this panel also help us to draw, paint and manipulate the images. And in center you can see the workspace where you will place your images. So let's move further for the next subtopic, that is creating a new file. So this is the tool panel and here we have small white triangle at the bottom right corner of this tool. By clicking on it we can view the hidden tools. Here you can see the 3 different hidden tools. Further, let's click on the file tab and here we'll go for the new. From this dialog box, here you can type the name for your file and here we'll click on OK button. This is the white canvas for us where we can place the images. So we'll go again to the file and here this option is the place. After going to place, you can see the dialog box. You can choose the image which you want to place. So here I'm choosing this image and click on place option. Okay, so here the image is there. After this, you can save this image by again going to file tab. And then we'll click on save or save as option. So here we'll choose place. Okay, you can give a name here, file name, and then we'll click on the save button. So this is how you can save the images. So we have just seen how to create the images and how to save the images. Now here this is the subtool of rectangular. Here you can see rectangle marquee tool, we have elliptical marquee tool. There are 4 different options of this tool. Let's move further and we'll understand the next topic, that is selection tools. How to select an image, how to select any part of images. So here let's first of all open an image. We'll go to file and we'll go for the option open. So here I'll choose one image from here and click on open. Fine, so the image in front of me. So let's go for the selection tool. We have selected the image. Only the part of image is selected, and in case you want to move this image or you want to cut this image, we'll go for cut and see this image has been removed from that whole part. So here I brought it back and here this is for the move, for moving the particular part of the image. Okay, next, in case you want to go for the elliptical tool, so you have the option in this. So here you can see this tool is also used in elliptical tool, and by this you can select an oval shape or a circle shape with the help of elliptical tool. So let's move further. This is lasso tool, and this again has a bunch of 3 tools where you have lasso tool. Then next is polygonal lasso tool and magnetic lasso tool. So here 3 different options are there. Lasso tool, this tool is used to select any image that is used for a freehand. It's like a freehand selection, like you're holding a pencil and you're selecting the image. So you can see this is the effect of the lasso tool. Next is we are choosing it magnetic lasso tool. With this tool we can select an object which has a very complex edges, like the flowers. If you want to select the petals of the flowers, because with the previous selection tool, that was used only to select a fixed shape like rectangle or oval. So here we have selected, and with the move tool I am moving this off. You can see this. So that's all, my children. This is your assignment number 2. Do complete your assignment and forward to me on my personal window. Thank you. God bless you.